Welcome back. You're watching Storyboard. Thumbs Up builds on the earlier Taste the Thunder and Aaj Kuch Tufani Karte Hain campaigns with their new commercial, Main Hu Tufani, leveraging the power of I. The campaign urges the consumer to be uncompromisingly positive as they seek to achieve their goals. On notice board this week, we have Thumbs Up's Main Hu Tufani campaign that is urging the consumer to challenge themselves and unleash their true potential.
आखिरी थम्स अप खत्म, मैं कुछ और लाती हूँ।
कुछ और? वो क्या होता है माय लव?
This is a campaign where we are actually taking masculinity to the next level, where we talk about the power of self. So we move from Aaj Kuch Tufani Karte Hain, where we are talking about let's do something thunderous today, where we said today if you look at the bottle is nothing but what the bottle and the person that drinks it, our protagonist, is really the same thing. The bottle has got thunder within, which is the Thumbs Up product, and every individual has got thunder within, which is Tufan inside me.
मैं हूँ तूफानी.
Thumbs Up has always been not just about refreshment, it's always been about strong taste, and really the consumers and the lovers of Thumbs Up drink it for its strong taste. So it's almost that I have it throughout the year. So whether I have it in my spicy biryani, or I have it with my friends hanging outside, or we're catching up over a drink in the evening, I mean, Thumbs Up is integral to my occasions that I drink it in. So really, it doesn't matter. Thumbs Up is drunk through the year by lovers of Thumbs Up.
From challenging oneself to giving the consumers more, Cigna TTK Health Insurance has launched a new campaign that focuses on going that extra mile by giving the customer more. The campaign draws a parallel between the relationships that we share with our loved ones and the relationship that Cigna TTK Health Insurance has with its consumers.
बीमारी में गुदगुदी बनते हैं और ठीक होने पर मजबूती। आपके अपनों के जैसे सिग्ना टीटीके हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस भी आपकी हेल्थ के लिए करता है थोड़ा ज्यादा। बीमारी में प्रोटेक्टिव हीलिंग सॉल्यूशंस और सेहत में प्रोएक्टिव लिविंग प्रोग्राम्स। सिग्ना टीटीके हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, हेल्थ है तो लाइफ है।
In 2014, it was more about who is Cigna TTK and our brand philosophy. 2016 is all about trying to get enable business. So we need to along with building awareness, also build consideration and brand preference for our brand. Also give our partners and distributors a good platform on which they can start selling to our customers.
Health है तो life है।
Product lent itself to the creative brief very beautifully. There is more in the product compared to the competition. So the product does more for the health of the Indian consumer, and we just took that more into the creative. So very simply, people who love you tend to do more for you when they care for you, not just in illness but also in wellness. So both sides of the coin are taken care of by people who love you. It is a disruption. It is a unique point of view that this brand has. We have a very wide space as far as the category is concerned. The category is largely dominated by fear-mongering or very functional benefits, tax savings or, more hospitals that you're aligned with and stuff like that. At Cigna, we don't do that. We look at the positive side of health, we look at the positive side of life per se, and that's the tonality that we set for the brand. That's the point of view the brand has. Like I said, health hai to life hai.
With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. You can catch all our content on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Thanks for watching and we'll be back same time next week. See you soon.